Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to the beauty squad, beauty gang. Just know you a beauty too. So today we got some. I'm excited. I'm excited. You guys seen the title. It's been a while since I've done a hair review. So y'all, we're gonna get into it, but first make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified of my future videos. And let's get into it. FedEx came through, and this is going to be from Aliexpress brands. So I saw Brittney actually do a review on this company, and I was like, baby, let me check it out. And you guys probably already know who Brittney is. If y'all don't know, she does a whole lot of different things on her channel, vlogs, hair reviews, how to do it, like just installs, everything. So cute. Love her channel. I'll link it down below in the description box. But y'all, this is from AliExpress, so I don't know. I trust Brittney, so we gonna check this out. So this is from Siyun show, and y'all, the packaging is pretty cute. It's pink. You can't go wrong with some pink. And it's, yeah, I'm excited. I don't know. It's supposed to be 250 grams for the density. And the length, I believe I did get 26 inches. So we're going to see if it's giving what's supposed to give. Yeah, the 13 by 4, 250 density. It says it on the pack. We got things falling out. So it comes with your new stocking cap. And it comes with the Siyun show lashes. It's actually cute because it shows their brand. I don't think a lot of companies do that. I haven't used an AliExpress brand in a very long time, so I'm nervous, but let's get into it. So this is the hair, you guys. It comes in this large Ziploc bag. Like I said, I haven't ordered from AliExpress here in so long. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. It comes in a netting. So already, I think the lace looks so good. Wait. I should have got a longer. Okay, let me. It got a little smell. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I never lie. There's a little smell. But look at the ends. Can we appreciate the ends? These are ends that we want. This is, when we say we want a wig with thick ends, this is what we're talking about. What? Oh, this feels good. Okay. I need to calm down. Alright, so it came with paper inside. That just fell out. Comes with the styrofoam to protect the lace. And this is how the lace looks, you guys. I'm actually really excited about it. It's not a full 13 by 4 lace. As you guys can see, it's a little bit larger in the inside, such as so. And it does come with 3 combs in the top, a comb on the bottom, and an adjustable strap as well. And it comes with lace in the back if you want to put it up in a ponytail. But y'all, so my idea with this hair, I'm definitely going to do jet black with the middle part. I've been craving jet black hair. Like, I wish I would have got this longer. Ooh, this is, y'all, just know I'm coming for next. I'm stepping on them. And it's stretchy too. It seems very stretchy, so if you do have a larger head such as myself, then you shouldn't have no problem. But I really do like this hair a lot. The only thing I would say about it, okay, there's no shedding. The only thing is just the smell, but of course you want to wash all your hair before you install it. I hate seeing videos and people just installing it straight from the pack. Like, you're not supposed to do that, honestly. You want to make sure you wash it, cold wash it before you install it, just in case the hair is dirty or anything is inside of it. You want to make sure it's fresh and there's no product on it. And I'm going to bleach the knots, so I think this is cute. I'm excited for this. The wigs I've been wearing, y'all know I normally make them, unless it's a synthetic wig, of course. But like this wig, this is one of my favorite ones. But y'all, Siyun show here. I will be doing a video, you guys, on how I bleach the knots for this wig. I'm also going to show you guys how I'm going to dye your jet black and how I install it as well. So if you guys definitely want to see that, make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, follow me on Instagram at DBeautyForever. Y'all already know, like, I'm starting to post a little bit more consistent on my Instagram. I slowed down for a while, but y'all, I feel like I'm back. So yeah, without further ado, I think that's gonna be all for the video. I want to close this out. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any concerns, any suggestions, comment it down below in the description box. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.